Rapidly Deployable Maritime Container RDMC Operating Theater. This version of the deployed RDMC functions as an operating theater and is powered from an external electrical supply via the power entry points. The system is deployed using the control panel located on the outside of the container or through a wireless remote control. The floor decks for the expandable cabins are firstly lowered down. The 4 support legs for the floors are manually deployed. Next, both the expandable cabins will be pushed out automatically with the electrical powered systems. The final step will be to open the rear door. This rear door will be the main entry point to the inside of the RDMC. This first-person view shows the internal layout of the RDMC in its operating theater version. There will be 2 operating tables and equipment trolleys. The total of 10 LED lights provide sufficient and shadow-free illumination. Power points and drip hooks are provided in the 4 corners of the container. A deep water sink is provided for ease of cleaning and washing. Oxygen and vacuum outlets are used for medical purposes. This control panel is used for the internal equipment and the air-con system. The detachable rear ladder is used for access to the roof of the container. This control panel is used for the deployment of the RDMC. The water tank supplies fresh water to the sink, which is later discharged to the wastewater tank. The vacuum pump and oxygen generator are used for medical purposes. The UPS and batteries provide backup power to the system. Closing the RDMC. Stow the rear ladder inside the container and close the rear door before commencement of the closing sequence. Both the expandable cabins will next be closed in using the electrically powered systems. Any obstructions inside the main cabin must be cleared first before closing the expandable cabins. The 4 support legs will be manually stowed under the floor decks. The floor decks for the expandable cabins will be raised up using the winch motor and secured on the main container. The RDMC is now closed. Power can then be terminated by cutting off the external power supply. This concludes the end of the animation.